Exercise 7.2, question number 9. Find the angle between the rectangular hyperbola xy equal to 2 and the parabola x square plus 4y equal to 0. Whenever you are given two equations, first we have to solve and get the point of intersection. So consider the rectangular hyperbola and the parabola. xy equal to 2. So இதில் நம்ம y கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். y equal to 2 by x. Next parabola x square plus 4y equal to 0. இதுக்கு இந்த y க்கு இந்த வேல்யூவை சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணலாம். x square plus 4 into 2 by x equal to 0. x square plus 8 by x equal to 0. Taking LCM, x cube plus 8 equal to 0. X cube equal to minus 8. So x equal to cube root of minus 8 is minus 2. X equal to minus 2. இப்போ நம்ம இந்த x க்கு substitute பண்ணா y கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். When x equal to minus 2, y equal to 2 by minus 2 minus 1. Therefore, point of intersection is minus 2 comma minus 1. Now, let us find out slopes. Differentiate first equation x into y. It is in product, so use product rule. First term x, differentiate y, dy by dx plus second term y, differentiate x. 1 equal to 2 is constant, so derivative of 2 is 0. So x dy by dx equal to y right side கொண்டு போலாம் minus y, dy by dx equal to minus y by x. Now find the slope at this point. So at minus 2 comma minus 1, dy by dx equal to minus y. Y is minus 1. So minus of minus 1 plus 1 divided by x is minus 2. 1 by minus 2 or minus 1 by 2. This is m1. Differentiate second equation. Derivative of x square is 2x plus 4 dy by dx. So again from this we have to find dy by dx. So to find dy by dx, 4 dy by dx equal to minus 2x. Both the side we can cancel. The 2 table cancel பண்ணிக்கலாம். The 2 right side கொண்டு போலாம். So dy by dx equal to minus x by 2. Then now dy by dx at the point of intersection minus 2 comma minus 1. Dy by dx equal to minus of minus 2 divided by 2. 2 by 2 1. This is m1. Now to find angle between the two curves. Let theta be the angle between the curves. Then we have the formula tan theta is equal to modulus m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Already we got m1 and m2. m1 is minus 1 by 2, m2 is 1. So substituting minus 1 by 2 minus 1 divided by 1 plus minus 1 by 2 into 1. So LCM எடுத்தீங்கன்னா minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 by 2 divided by 1 multiply பண்ணிங்கன்னா minus 1 by 2. So this is modulus minus 3 by 2. Taking LCM 2 minus 1 1 by 2. 2 to cancel, modulus of minus 3 3. Tan theta is equal to 3. So that implies theta is equal to tan inverse of 3. So angle between the curves is theta equal to tan inverse of 3. Question number 10. Show that the two curves x square minus y square equal to r square and xy equal to c square, where c, r are constants cut orthogonally. So given two curves, you have to prove the two curves cut orthogonally, that is perpendicular. So first let us consider the two equations. X square minus y square equal to r square, xy equal to c square. So here this r square and c square are constant. So அதனால நம்ம solve பண்ண முடியாது. You will get only in terms of r and c. So let us take the point of intersection as x1 comma y1. Let x1 y1 be the point of intersection. Differentiate first equation. Derivative of x square is 2x minus differential of y square is 2y dy by dx equal to r square constant, so 0. Minus 2y dy by dx equal to minus 2x. Both the side you can cancel minus sign and 2 also. So dy by dx equal to x by y. So at x1 comma y1 dy by dx is xy replaced by x1 and y1. x1 by y1. This is m1. Similarly, differentiate second equation. xy, this is in product. So using product rule, x dy by dx plus y into 1 equal to derivative of constant is 0. So from this we can find dy by dx. X dy by dx plus y equal to 0. X dy by dx equal to minus y. So dy by dx equal to minus y by x. At x1 comma y1 dy by dx is minus y1 by x1. This is m2. We got m1 and m2. Now to prove the two curves cut orthogonally, that is perpendicular, find product of the two slopes. m1 into m2 is equal to m1 is x1 by y1 into m2 is minus y1 by x1. y1 cancel, x1 cancel. So cancel it to minus 1 more. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the two curves cut orthogonally. Hence, proved.